Assalamu alaikum. It's Naila Froskazi. I welcome you in my English classroom for Standard 7. Student, we studied poem number 2.1 from our railway carriage. In this poem, the poet has described his railway journey and the natural beauty he watches from the compartment of a train. Now, we shall solve the English workshop given behind it. So, let's see first of all the meanings given, the difficult words given in this poem. I am reading these words before you with their meanings. You can also watch, listen, and you can also write. Number 1, brambles. Brambles are the vines or the bushes that have thorns on their branches. Carriage. Carriage is a separate part of a passenger train. ट्रेन का डिब्बा. Cart. Cart is a horse-drawn vehicle with four wheels. Cart is a vehicle which is drawn by horses, used for transportation. Which is used for transportation. Next, cattle. Cattle means domestic animals like cow and bull. Cattle means domestic animals like cow and bull. Charging along. Charging along is a phrase. Charging along like troops in a battle. Moving forward in a line. Charging along means moving forward in a line. Next, clamber. Clamber means to climb. To climb in an ungraceful manner. Daisies. Daisies are the flowers that have yellow petals and a white center. Daisies are the flowers with yellow petals, पीली रंग की पत्तियां, and white in the middle, in the center. Next, ditches. What are the ditches? Ditches means a long narrow space dug to hold or move water. पानी बहाने के लिए जो चैनल बनाई जाती है उसको ditches बोलते हैं. Fairies. Fairies are the imaginary beings with magical powers and wings. You know, you have listened so many fairy tales. Gaze. G-A-Z-E. Gaze. Gaze means to look at something firmly. To watch at something continuously. That is the meaning of gaze. Next, glimpse. Glimpse means a short look, a brief look. बहुत कम वक्फे के लिए दिखाई देने वाला साइट. A brief look. Glimpse. Hedges. A row of shrubs and small trees forming a boundary. What is hedges? जो झाड़ियों से या पेड़ों से मिलकर जो बाउंड्री बन जाती है उसको बोलते हैं hedges, किनारे. Next, lumping. To support and move a load with difficulty. Lumping means full of load which is moving with a difficulty. Next, meadow. Meadow means flat area of open land covered with grass. Meadow means मैदान, a flat area covered with grass, green grass. Next, mill. M-I-L-L, mill. Mill is a building with a machine to grind grain into flour. आटा बनाने के लिए जो चक्की यूज होती है उसको मिल बोलते हैं. Scramble. To move over something quickly. जल्दी जल्दी मूव करना, हरकत करना. Plain, flat and flat land having trees and grass. Maidan. Sights, things that one sees. Sights means manzar, nazara, which we can watch. Stringing, putting together on a string or thread. एक साथ तार में या धागे से उसको बांधना. Stringing together. Next, tramp. Tramp is a person, someone who travels from one place to another looking for work, like a beggar. A lonely person is called the tramp, who roams, who wander from one place to another. Troops, group of army men. What is a troop? Troop is a group of men of army. Wink of an eye, it is also a phrase. Very quickly, palak झपकते ही. Wink of an eye means very quickly. Witches, the woman who practice magic, जादूगरनी. Witches means the woman who practice magic, जादू दिखाने वाली औरतें, जादू करने वाली औरतें. They are called witches. So all the difficult words I have given you. You may copy all these words in your notebook. In second exercise, it is asked, you have to write in second exercise the pair of rhyming words which has come in the poem. Find the pair of rhyming words from the poem. So we have some rhyming words here that are witches, ditches, battle, cattle, plain, rain, rain again, I buy. All these are the pairs of rhyming words. Copy in your notebook. This is the lesson for today. We shall meet in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz and goodbye.